Hello, hello, this is the Stain-Meister, back by popular demand. At the request of many of you, I've decided to come back and play you another song by the Sounders. J'encore un moulin behua Kuv Lub Siab by the Sounders on their third album, Untitled Chapter. Let me break it down to 4 different parts: the verse, the pre-chorus, the chorus, and then the bridge. Okay? So I'll just play the song and you listen to it. The verse goes A minor, G, A minor, G. So it goes, and you have to pick it as well as strum. So it goes like this. No. This is A minor, G, A minor. Okay? And then F. Right? That's okay. So you saw how I transitioned into that pre-chorus section. It's F, A minor, F, A minor. Okay, and then it goes right into verse 2. Okay, so it's again repeats itself. And then when you get to the pre-chorus part, the chorus part, okay, it goes C, G, and then this funky, not C, but it's one string down from the C. So the C is this, and then cut to middle finger to ring finger down 1. Yeah, I can't recall what that chord is called, but that's how it is. I got it straight from Sounders. So it's C, G, and then this chord, and then G. So it goes. A minor. Okay, and then that goes into the third verse. Okay, so that's how it goes. Okay, the bridge is played with power chords. It's the A sharp, F, C, and then G power chords. So the A sharp, then they're all positioned the same exact way. It's like that. The A, the first one is, you start with your first fret, 5th string, 3rd fret, 4th string, and 3rd fret, 3rd string. Okay. So A sharp, okay, and then F, and then C, and then G. So it goes like this. Then goes into the chorus. Okay, so I hope that has been helpful. If there are any questions, post your comments. I will try to reply to it, and I'll write the chords after in the credits here. Okay, good luck and write your comments.